This is a verification round for this Electrolux Olympia 1 baking soda in the carpet test. I got absolutely chart-topping performance with round 1. So anytime I get results like that, I need to verify these results. So this is going to be round 2. There's 10 grams of baking soda. And let's see what the initial bag weight is. We're going to start out at 49.23 grams. And let me move the camera so you can see a little bit more of what I'm doing here. Over there. There we go. Yeah, that ought to be a little better angle, I think. I'm going to have to pick the canister up so I don't bump into things when I run the test. And there it goes. Baking soda disappears a little quicker than sand, I think. All right, 10 full passes. A lot of pieces to deal with here. Right, let me move you in a little closer for the big reveal. I can see I did not get that very straight. All right, I think that ought to be good enough. I hope. And let's see what we have for a final weight. Oh, come on. Thing slips around a bit. Okay, looks like we still have some really, really nice results. So we started out with 49.23 grams and ended up with 58.44, which gives us, ignore the minus sign, That's 92%. So 9.21 out of 10 grams. So if I divide it and then multiply it by 100, so we still have our 90th percentile machine. And my previous test was in the low 90s as well. So this machine really achieves the almost impossible. Fantastic sand pickup and fantastic fine dust pickup. The only thing really left is to do the whole house carpet cleaning. Now, I don't have much sand in my whole house to go and pick up. We're just not a very sandy environment. So I'm not so sure exactly what it's going to do. Maybe it'll have some good pickup. Maybe because of its fairly gentle agitation, it'll be a little lower than maybe what's expected. But wow, 92% pickup. That is really fantastic from a 40-year-old canister. So let me go and change the camera one more time. Let's take a real close look at that brush roll, because that brush roll is really the key. So here's the underbelly of the PN4. And this power nozzle, well, really it's this brush roll, achieves the impossible. The bristles here are over a half an inch in length. They're over 13 millimeters. I measured it in length. They are very soft, but they are fairly dense. And this power nozzle itself is also very heavy. The nozzle plus the wand equals about 7 pounds. That's a lot of weight. And you notice there's no wheels. There's no front wheels on this nozzle at all. So it literally just sits like a ton of lead right on the carpet. So it is kind of Kirby-esque as far as being able to dig down into the pile. And since my carpet is just medium pile, it's not particularly dense, it's not particularly high one way or another, these bristles are able to dig out whatever you have in there. But the nice thing is it does it moderately gently. It does a great job. This isn't that big of an opening. I think it's right around 20 or so square inches. So it's not a huge cleaning area, but the CFM density is very good. I think it's somewhere around, say, 3.5-ish. So it's a huge open area. I haven't measured how fast the brush roll spins. That's something I need to do, but I need to heap lots of praise on the Electrolux PN4 power nozzle, because it truly, truly is a rug saver. And it's able to get out the sandy stuff. It's able to get out the fine dust. And it's able to do it while minimizing carpet tear out. So absolutely fantastic performance. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.